Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the next week in March, and I've got these sticker books that I pulled from right here. And this week I did a wax paper spread to try some things out and see how I liked it, specifically in this goal section, which I am whiting out right now with my Jelly Roll opaque white pen. Just in case you're new to my channel, this is just a regular white pen that you can buy online or in any craft store. And it's not specifically for whiting things out, but it works really great for fine lines and things like that on your planner, just little tiny mistakes without having to put a big old fat dry line or use whiteout. This and all of the products that I use in the video will be down in the description if you are looking for it. Okay, so I've got all the white in, and so it looks kind of like one cohesive box. So while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and put in my sidebar. And I've been using these sidebars from the Healthy Hero sticker book this month, and I like to kind of keep my sidebars the same each month just for consistency, just the thing I like to do. So I'm using this. They have another version which is like a pink to purple gradient. Those are the only two options, so I've been kind of working around those two color schemes with my spreads. So the goal for the week will be no excuses. I've made some adjustments to my schedule due to the COVID-19 virus. I have some pretty bad allergies and asthma issues, so I really just need to avoid getting that disease whatever possible. So I'm going to be working out from home going forward. Basically, I started this week, which is the week before, and I'll continue to do so until things improve around here. I'm going to go ahead and set up this spread, but basically I need to figure out a way to keep my workouts going on a routine basis without excuses. I go to the gym because I need that consistency and I need that push. So working out from home is not my favorite. We will see how this all goes. So right now I'm putting in the headers for my workout section, and these were actually cut up from one single sticker, the colorful like cheetah pattern. And it was a monthly box sticker that I knew I wasn't going to use. It was one of those stickers that's square but has like a little notch cut out of it. So I trimmed it up so that I can make it into strips and put it here at the top for my workouts. And the only thing is on Sunday, the very last one, it's a little short because of that notch, which you'll see. But I don't think it really stands out when you kind of have them all in line. So we're just going to go with that. I also pulled this really nice quote, I think, for the week for my rest day. It says, "You're right here, exactly where you're supposed to be. Live your unique story with all its magic and mystery. Walk on ahead, bravely, boldly be you." So I just thought that was a nice quote, and hopefully I will take it to heart next week and get some stuff done. Okay, so I think I have all of those in, and now I'm going to start laying in the main event here in the focus section. When I grabbed these, I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to use them. Originally I thought they were going to be more of a background piece, but they're kind of busy, so laying things on top of them really just did not work well. It's really hard to see. So what I decided to do is kind of make them almost like a stripe or a main part of the piece, not just a background. I also had to trim a few of them up. One sticker fits about 2 boxes wide, so It works out pretty well, but I'm going to add in a few things there on the left-hand side of the page. So I had a little bit of extra. So I'm using that to kind of fill in the gap between the two stickers so it looks a little more cohesive. Okay, so I think I've got the right side laid in. I'm going to go ahead and put in the left side. The way that I am laying this out, I am using a balance technique where I'm not going all the way to the edges because that rest day kind of comes in just a little bit from the edge. So opposite to that, I'm going to come in a little bit from the edge as well so that they balance from each other. The main focus right here, the Get Busy and the Cheetah, will balance out with the rest day sticker. And for this cheetah, I added in a little weight on the tail, which I thought was kind of cute, and a hat for his head, or her head, I should say, just to kind of get me motivated to work out, even though it's gonna be rough not going to the gym. But we'll see what I can do. And there's plenty of at-home workouts and things that I could do. It's just not as motivating to me. So hopefully seeing this spread each week, and if I don't start putting in workouts, that tends to motivate me when I don't actually write down anything, or if I don't have anything good to track. I'm always like, oh, I need to do better. So I'm hoping that'll motivate me to do something here in the house and try to get my workout on. So since I had some extra of these little cheetah pattern elements, I think I'm going to try to add them in here on the sidebar. And at first I'm going to try here at the top, but it's not going to stay there. I didn't really like it up there next to the colorful excuses. And as you can see there on the wax paper, I pulled a bunch of gym stickers to kind of bullet the classes I would normally take. But since I made the decision not to go to the gym, I'm not going to add those in. They're just going to stay there on the sheet. So I'm starting to put in my stat stickers here. These are from the Healthy Hero mini sticker book that I have. I've mentioned this before as well. I'm running pretty low on those type of stickers, especially from my Healthy Hero books. And we'll be trying to figure out a way to do my own stat stickers in the near future. But for now, I'm using up whatever I have left. And I thought this was a good way to use these guys because I have some odd colors that are all kind of mismatched, and there's not any one solid week of color anymore. And I thought for this spread, this would work pretty well with these colors. I also specifically pulled in the yellow to pull in with the yellow cheetah, since there's not really any yellow in the rainbow pattern at all. It's more of an orange. So trying to connect that yellow color in with the spread. And now I'm laying in my food log stickers. Decided to keep it kind of simple and black here, just again to kind of not overwhelm with color, kind of keep that black as an accent throughout. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay these in. These stickers are super tiny, so I'm pulling them straight from the book so that I don't lose them on the wax paper spread. They never seem to stick firmly to that, and I end up losing half of them before I even start the spread. So I usually just go straight from the book on these smaller stickers. I also need to rein in my eating habits. Now that I'm feeling better as far as my allergies and asthma are concerned, and I can smell again, it's one of the problems with me. Like, I get clogged up and I can't smell for like months at a time. So when I can smell, it's like I want to eat everything. It's kind of a problem because everything tastes so much better. So I'm hoping that I can dial it back down because I'm already starting to gain weight. Yeah, especially with not working out in the gym, I really need to figure something out to rein that in so that I don't go overboard for too long. And here I'm moving those little extra stickers like I mentioned. Just trying to add them here around this bottom sticker, this gym hair don't care. I really don't know where I want these little things to go. It's a little bit hodgepodgey. I don't really know if this is a necessity. Once I get it in, I'm not sure if I'm in love with it, but I'm adding it in anyway. Once I get these guys done here and put in, we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. If you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.